If you want to change the ringtone on POCO X7 Pro, you can go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration, and then choose ringtone. Now over here you will open the themes app with ringtones. You can see ringtone selected at the top, and now you have three choices. You can go to pre-installed ringtones and then choose ringtone so that you find the list of all ringtones that you have already on your device. Of course, you can tap on the ringtone in order to hear the preview, and once you are done, simply go back by tapping the arrow in the top left corner. Now, you can also choose local ringtone, so select this option over here. And here, if you have the audio file saved on your phone at this point, then you can, for instance, go to audio files, select the ringtone that you wish to add, and then press OK. And after that, you need to apply it as well, so press apply and then select this ringtone. And there we go. And the third way to get a new ringtone is of course by using the store itself. So here we can find a bunch of different ringtones that we can use. All we need to do is tap on this bell on the right side and then press OK. And once we download the ringtone, it should be immediately set. So if I go back, you will see that the name of the ringtone is matching the one that I just downloaded. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!